Hello and welcome to our online wine course on Argentina. I want to start with a little bit of Argentinian wine history. Although countries such as Argentina, Chile, South Africa, Australia, New Zealand are summarized as the New World and especially as the New Wine World, viticulture, especially in Latin and Southern America, exists for many centuries. Already in the 16th century, the first wines were planted in Latin America. For example, in Mendoza and Cuyo. There is a lot of influence of European immigrants, of course. The first Europeans that landed on the Latin American continent were Spanish. They, of course, brought Spanish grape varieties with them. When America was discovered by Christopher Columbus in 1492, as far as historians know, they did not have wines with them, but on the second expedition to Latin America, the Spaniards already brought European grape wines with them. Also later in the history of Argentina, European migrants influenced viticulture and the wine history a lot. Most importantly, Italian immigrants, German immigrants, and of course ongoing from the motherland, Spain. The wine business and viticulture as such underwent an enormous boost when the railway system was built in Argentina. Like in many other countries, the British brought the rail system to Argentina. Especially the rail tracks that connected Argentina's biggest wine growing area, Mendoza, with the capital, Buenos Aires, the viticulture and wine business really went through a boom time. In the 1970s, Argentina was one of the biggest wine producers worldwide, but the production was mostly rather cheap table wine. When we look into latest statistics, we can see that Spain still has the biggest vineyard surface area on earth, followed by China, France, and Italy, where we have to say that China mostly produces table grapes, and the wine production is relatively small. In terms of vineyard surface area, Argentina always ranks among the top 10. More importantly, when we talk about viticulture and wine business, is the wine production volume. The biggest producers of wine globally are Italy, France, and Spain. These big three European wine countries are followed by three American wine countries: the United States of America, Argentina, and Chile.